I find that I'm at my productive best when I'm standing and working as opposed to slumped in a chair for a long duration.
Hi, I'm Kritika. I'm a product stylist and a home decor blogger, and today I want to share with you all this really cool and sophisticated product from Home Canvas, the STANDi.
Sitting down and working from home for long hours in spaces that aren't specifically designed for work can lead to back and neck pain. Elaborate standing desks are expensive and they take up a lot of space. That's why the STANDi is your new best friend. It's an easy to assemble standing desk that you can place atop any table and you have your work from home setup ready in a jiffy. With its ergonomically designed 9 heights level and modern look, the STANDi is the perfect balance of form and function. And it comes with a compact, premium, water-resistant, foam-padded bag, making it so convenient to carry it around with you and convert any table into a standing workspace. If a compact, portable, easy-to-use standing work desk is what you've been looking for to increase productivity and work more efficiently, then your search ends right here at Home Canvas.